Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be doing my quick tutorial for alipearl hair. So they sent me this gorgeous wig. Oh god, it feels so good. Like this is a go-to, this is a fave. I'm officially canceling frontals because this is a closure wig and it would look like a frontal and give the impression that it's a frontal, but it's a closure, and it took half the time to install than a frontal would. So that is just something that I adore about this hair. So this is actually a wig. Of course, it's a closure wig. I didn't make this wig, it came like this. So it was a body wave wig in 24 inches. I did do my layering and stuff. I feel like for body wave, the perfect length to get would be a 24, just so you can layer it right. If you do layer your body wave wigs, that's something I recommend. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how I installed it and did my baby hairs, and then you guys are going to see the end result in the end of the video, of course. So just enjoy this clip of me showing you guys how I got the wig, how I received the wig pretty much before I did anything to it, so you guys could see the transformation from brand new wig to wig all done and installed. And you can achieve this look using this exact wig. The links to this wig will be in the description box below. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hey love, so this is alipearl hair. This is the box. So pretty much unboxing the wig. It is a body wave wig. It's a 5x5 closure and 24 inches. This is so nice, and it feels really thick too. So I got the dust bag to put the wig in, a brown wig cap. Oh wow, this actually looks like really thin. Oh, and it says alipearl on it. So this is their brand's wig cap. They also gave an alipearl scarf for your, you know, hair and stuff, and a wig brush and comb. So let me take the wig out the box. Sorry, the bag. So this is like a hair care manual. It tells you how to wash your wigs and all that good stuff. And this is the wig. It's super thick. Oh wow. It's really pre-plucked. I know I'm not gonna have to do too much plucking, and this is so good because usually closures come pretty dense. The knots on this wig is so small, y'all. Oh god, I can't wait to wear this. This is gonna be so nice. This is a thick wig. This is so thick. It has the lace 5x5, and it's actually really stretchy. The band is in the back as usual, and yeah. So let's jump into the video. Now I'm going to do this curl. So I'm gonna turn your curler upside down like this. So your curler is supposed to be smiling, not frowning, because that's a frown. This is a smile. And you're going to put your hair in it like that. Twist the hair around, twist the curler, and pull. That way your hair won't snag in the curler, and when you're pulling it like this, you're gonna just pull it all the way down to the end of the hair until you probably have about 1.5 inches of hair left. Then you're gonna just wrap the hair up on the curler just like this, and leave it there for about 30 seconds. The more time that you spend on curling the hair and leaving the curler on it for the hair to heat up is the longer your curl will last. So that's just a little tip from me. So you want your curls to last all night, girl, 1 minute for each curl. I'm using my Rusk hairspray to spray these curls, and that promotes longer lasting curls because hairspray makes hair stiff pretty much. So I'll see you guys when I'm about to do my baby hairs and all that good stuff.
Enough to put that in there, so that's just too much. And then second of all, why I'm not going to get silicone is
Okay. Yes, ma'am. There we have it. No glue. No glue necessary. I'm so happy that I found just pretty much, wow, I'm in love. I'm in shock. Do you guys see this lace? No? Wow. So I just can't wait to unravel these curls. Okay guys, so I'm back to do the baby hairs. I'm not done. Like the curls are still like in the back and stuff, still undone. So got to be gel, scissors, or this. I'm gonna use the razor and your toothbrush. My toothbrush is really hard right now, and I'm gonna try to not do too much where baby hairs are concerned on this this closure, because I don't need that much, but I just don't want it to not have any baby hairs at all for this wig. So to try to hold a short piece of hair with a razor, it's just a no-go for me, sis. And pretty much just swoop your hairs in order. Then now I'm gonna do the next side. Again, I don't want to do too much where baby hairs are concerned, so I'm gonna just pull it out first, and then I'm gonna go in and just fix it up, take out what I need, and yeah. Oh god, this is such a perfect closure. Like at first I was so opposed to it because I don't usually use closures. This is like my second closure in like 3 years, and wow, when I tell you I'm actually loving this. This is nice. This is really nice. It's so minimal. It's 100% less work. 100%. With a frontal, you have to worry about the sides, gluing it down, this and that, and yada yada yada. But the closure, wow, it's like the lace isn't even there. So it's really thin, it's natural looking. Oh gosh, wow, 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 wow. Can I get a wow? And you can either tie it down or leave it and you'll be ready to go. So usually I'll take my blow dryer on cool. Everything is just on the floor today, so cool, blow dryer. On this side, or you actually don't need to do it, because this side is always the perfect side. Like, you know when you have two sides of your hair, yeah, you know when you have two sides of your hair, one side that's always the perfect side, and then the side that you're like, oh my god, I wish I could have got this side perfect. This side is usually my good side, and this side is usually my, okay, yeah, she tried. So I'm gonna still go in and do the curl. Just so it's nice and fresh. And yeah, that is the end result. So thank you so much for watching. If you'd like the link to this wig, It is their 24-inch 5x5 closure wig, and it was a body wave wig, of course, from alipearl. The links will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.